Thank you for tuning in. So you're gonna need 2 or 3 wig combs, a wig cap with wide holes that can sustain the weight of a cocoa twist. Of course, you're gonna need a crochet needle together with scissors. Thank you so much once again. And the hair that we're gonna be using is a rafa. I actually used 1 packet, and for a cocoa twist, you need a fluffy hair. As you can see, it is fluffy and it is kinky. That is the most suitable hair, and I cut the hair into half, and as you can see, I'm beginning to start to crochet the hair. And at first I actually crocheted it and I never closed, which was a mistake that I corrected later. So make sure when you crochet you will close. Don't worry, I'll be showing you next. So keep watching so that you can get the whole detail about this video. So I started twisting once or twice, and then I was adding up here so that it can create that knotless look and complete that cocoa twist, which I actually like the fluffy look. So make sure you twist loosely, as you can see, so that it can create that fluffy. I keep on insisting on fluffy because that's the whole thing about this cocoa twist. Your twist must be fluffy. So to make it fluffy, you're just gonna be twisting it so much loosely so that you can accomplish. And at the end, I'm just gonna be wrapping it upwards. As you can see, I wrap it upwards. And just to get this out of the way, yes, I have done lots of cocoa twist tutorial. I've even done cocoa twist using braids. Can you imagine? Yes, I have gone to that extent. And each and every link of my cocoa twist tutorial is in my description box. Trust me, each video is very detailed. You should check it out. I have done chunky cocoa twist. I have done different colors. And also I'll add on it the cocoa twist using braids. I mean, that one for me was the best, and trust me, when you check it out, you will learn more insight. You'll get every knowledge that you've been asking yourself about this cocoa twist. Above all, to anyone who has commented, to anyone who has subscribed, who has participated in my videos, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for acknowledging my content by subscribing and participating. And to anyone who is not a member, I will urge you to subscribe so that you can become a member, and you'll be getting these more tutorials. You'll be getting these amazing hair tutorials. Anyway, let us continue with our cocoa twist wig. Can you imagine? So I was thinking about crocheting the hair all over and then doing the cocoa twist, but I don't know, I feel like the next time I'll do that because this was my first time. I'll also tell the pros and cons, the do's and don'ts that I've learned while doing these cocoa twists, because again, it was my first time doing it. I won't say I did it perfectly, but I'm so glad that I did it. Like, I learned a lot, and it was out of my head because I was thinking about this thing so much, and I'm just putting out there for anyone who has been wondering if this idea actually makes sense or is possible. I'm here to tell you that it is. So back to the tutorial. I'm showing how we secure our cocoa twist at the end, and it is wrapping upwards until the hair ends. As you can see, keep watching. So at the front, I actually cut my hair into two and then continued twisting the same way. And I actually did the perfect fringe after I wore my wig, because for now I could not measure as to where my fringe will reach. Will it pass my eyebrows or something? That was a scare for me. So I was actually twisting it right now just to show you. And then afterwards, I did it perfect. Like I actually shaped it after I wore it. So let us brush off to the do's and don'ts. Something that you must do is to get this type of wig cap, this one with white holes. Trust me, it will save you lots and lots of stress. Something that you should not do, it is twisting or crocheting your hair close together. If you want that chunky look, it's a wig, you will get it either way. So try as much as possible to separate, to widen the length. Like for me, I was twisting it so close together, thinking like, it's my head. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was just like, I want that huge bomb something, but it came out so disappointingly because I was trying to trim it or do something with it. I actually even had to reduce some hair at the middle because it was now lagging behind. That is something that you should not do. If you want to do this crochet wig, is don't crochet close together. Another don't is the same length behind at the back should not be the same length at the front. I feel like you'll see that mistake when I wear the wig. Make sure at the back the length is kind of longer than the front, so that can create that natural look you get, and even with trimming it will be easy. Because while trimming, you'll try to shape the wig according to the structure of your face and it will favor you mostly. Do you get it? And another do is just get this kind of hair because it will be easier for you. And if you can't, make sure you check out how to create an afro kinking using normal braids. I feel it will be very suitable for this hairstyle. And so we are wearing our wig, and one thing, as you wear, try to shape according to the face structure. Trust me, it is different. So that is what I was doing. And fluff this hair. Just imagine it is an afro kinking. So fluff it out as much as you can. You will come to see the difference. As you can see now, it is kind of flat, but I never lost hope. I was like, this is my best thing that I've done so far, so I must do my best. So I was trying to fluff it, I was trying to shape it according to my best way that I can, and it never disappointed me. I think like I did my best, and I'm so glad that I did this tutorial. I really hope that you've learned something. I really hope that you've enjoyed, you've gained knowledge, and that's all that I wanted to do in this video. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Have I not convinced you that this is the place to stay? Because trust me, I am not yet done with these tutorials. I am coming back with a bang, mostly this COCO week. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button, and thank you so much for tuning in. Anyways, bye until next time.